Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do Hi guys, welcome back. If you want to know how to get your hair from this length in under an hour for under £50 to this length, then stay tuned. If you haven't checked out my videos before, make sure you subscribe and check those out. Today I'm going to show you some hair hacks on how to grow your hair from this length to having really long hair. So we're not growing it, but you know, doing extensions at home. This is so cheap, guys. You don't have to spend loads of money on Foxy looks or any of those big makes. I mean, you can do if that's your thing, but where we can save money means we will have more money for other things like shopping, going out, you know, all the more exciting things. So basically I'm going to show you today how to do that. It takes about an hour to do, and you just need to buy a few things. I'm going to link everything that you see in this video today down below in the books, so you can click away, buy those things. Like I said, guys, this is like under £50 and this is real human hair, and it will literally last you about 6 months, maybe longer. And for that price, you can't go wrong. What's that, like £9 a month or something? So it's well worth it, trust me. So to start with, I ordered 2 packs of First Lady hair extensions. These are in a colour 1B. I don't know if you guys can see that clearly. This is 100% human hair. I got the 18 inches. I want my hair big. I want it long. I bought 2 packs because my hair at the moment, I would say if you have short to medium length hair, get 2 packs. If your hair's already quite long, I would say past shoulders, you can get away with 1 pack. These packs came in at £21 each, around £21 each. £42 for 2 packs. Total human hair, like, let's have a feel on this. Like, let's take her out. She is soft, she is silky. Like, I just can't wait to get this in. I mean, imagine once this is in, spring sorted, you know, spring look sorted. So I'm going to link that down below. You're also going to need the following items: a clip to clip your hair up with, some scissors, some black thread, or if you're doing blonde hair, I would suggest then maybe using yellow thread, a needle, and some clips. Now these clips, these are cheap. I think you can get like 3 for £1 or something. And again, I'm going to link that down below for you guys. So this is literally all you need. So I've taken the hair out of the packet, my first batch of hair. Next thing you want to do is you want to part your hair to the nape of your back. You know, just where the hairline starts at the back, that's the first thing you need to do. You can either put a bubble in it or just twist it up. It doesn't have to be dead on straight. We can come to that later on. So if you just pop your hair up like this, should hopefully stay. So then you've got, like, I'd say it's like just like half an inch off the bottom. Next thing you want to do is you unravel your hair like this.
2,000 years later.
So we've unraveled it like this. Now you'll see that one end is open and one end is closed. Start from the closed end, it's so much easier. So you just take what you think is going to fit across there. So I'm going to start there under the ear to that side, to where I can feel it end on my head. I'm going to take it like this, hold it where I think it's going to go, roughly. Sometimes it's better to do a tiny bit shorter than a bit longer, just because it's going to feel more snug then in your head. And then you're just basically going to part it up like this and cut it. Just like that, guys. This is how easy it is. So basically now, if you can see, there's two wefts. That's what this is called, a weft. There's two. And it's folded in half, so you've got the doubleness, thickness of it. And then all we're going to do now is sew a clip on either side. It's so easy. So when I'm sewing my clips, guys, when you normally buy clipping hair extensions, they normally face down the clips. I always make them face up. Now, I've always done this, and a lot of people say, why do you do that? I just feel when it pushes up into your hair and then clips, it doesn't slide down your hair as much. So it's going to hold tighter. Like, I've always done this. So literally, I'm going to take, I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm going to take got lipstick on my nail. I'm going to take it through the second hole. So you normally get 3 holes in the clip. So I'm going to push it through the second hole. And then right on the end. And then we're just going to basically sew it, guys. It's as simple as that. So when you're sewing, just make sure you're going through the top where it's a bit thicker, where the hair is actually on the weft itself. And then we're just going to sew. Who could have thought that Nadine can actually sew? Girl of many skills, what can I say? So we're just going to make sure we sew that through, I'd say about 5 or 6 times, just to make sure it's really secure. And then we can cut the end off, like so. Just cut the end of the thread off like this. And then we're just basically going to do it again. So where the other side is, I'm going to lay it flat against the weft and just do it again. So this is all we're going to do. But I'm going to show you how to progress it and how to layer it. Okay, guys, first piece done. If you can see that. So the clips are facing outwards like that. From the back, it's going to look like that. As you can see, they don't have to be perfect, the sewing. I mean, it's not a sewing contest. But they're going to go in the second hole there. So once that's done, your first piece, simple. Just going to pop it in like so. I love the fact that the clips got upright because I feel like it comes in more. I mean, look at that. That's the first piece done, guys. Next piece. So next piece, I always take this from, I just say, just at the top of your ear. Again, pull your hair back. Twist it back up like so. Take your beautiful hair. Put it in again, and this time we're going to make it end just at the top of your ear. So the other side, like I said, if you're worried it's going over slightly, make it tiny bit shorter. It's better to have it shorter than it is to have it too long. It's too long, it's not going to fit tight to the head. So again, from the ear to the ear, I've measured it. We're going to cut it again. Like that. And again, we're just going to sew 2 clips on. So we've done our next piece. So we're just going to pop that one in where we said we'd just done it. Just push it in to the hairline like so. There's the next piece. Right, this is the next one now we're going to do. So oh god, clips getting caught in the hair. So next one out. This one, we're going to do in line with your eyebrows. So around here. Again, just lift the rest of the hair up. Put a clip in. And this time, because my hair's a lot shorter and I don't want anybody to see it, you're going to take your piece. And then what we're going to do is, so basically what I've done is I've taken one of the pieces and folded that in half and then laid it against the other piece. I'm just going to measure it again. So this time we want it to end just, I'd say, top of the ear again on either side. So now we've got 3. And then we can use this bit later on. So just give that another cut. So simple, isn't it, really? So now you've got your 3 pieces. And again, we're just going to sew the clips into those. So next piece done. So we're just going to pop that one in, like so. And already, as you can see, it's transforming. Something fantastic. Oh my gosh, I love it. Right, so next one, what we're going to do now is, so literally, you're up to the top of your eyebrow. So the next one you want to do is if you go like into the middle of, if you go just above the eyebrows here, like halfway in the forehead, you go around and then make a slight circle at the back, pull that up, and then just tie this bit out the way, like so. And then this piece here, we're going to have to open a new packet for, and we're going to make another triple one again, because it's so good at hiding like your own hair in this hair. So we're going to make a triple one, and I'll then sew the clips on again. This time we're going to measure it. See how you've got your baby hair here? You want to start it back a little bit. So it's going to go, again, maybe a little bit more forward than the top of your ear, that side. And again, that side. So you're going to move it forward a bit. And we're going to put triple clips on, two at each side and 1 in the back. So as you can see, we've unravelled this one all the way. Ooh, could make this into like a scarf. Yeah, or some crazy clothes. That would be fun. So like I said, from here to this side, you don't want to go into, do you know where you've got your edges? Make sure you're keeping back from there, otherwise the clips are going to show. So around about this on each side. Then we're going to make it into 3 this time. So we do that by holding the hair out like that, and then just folding it. Again, give it a shake. So there you go, you've got 3 in there. Super thick, super gorgeous, super extra, super hair. Another little trick for you, if you're doing the 3 clips, do the 2 at the sides first and then do the middle, just because it holds the track line neater. So, and also it gives it more support in the middle if you do it that way. So I've done the 3 now. This one's gonna go in. So like I said, you want to do it just before where your hair gets thin, and again on the other side like that. Then the one at the back in the middle, like so. Oh my gosh, so exciting. Right, we're going to take this out now. Now what I tend to do is, to make sure it's really blended as good as possible, if you get your part in, bring your hair forward, and then you can see your crown area is going to cover the track line at the back. I'll show you guys in a minute. Then what I do is, I'm going to take my hair to the opposite side of what I've done. Just put the clip in there. And then I'm going to take the leftover hair here. I'll take the short piece first from the first pack. Take the short piece. And what I tend to do is, I'll fold it in half and I'll make a double. So I put 2 clips quite close together, and that's going to sit in this side. So if you can see, it's about that long, and it's going to sit just back in the hair on that side. Okay, we've done that piece now, so we've got the 2 on it. I'm just going to clip it in can see roots. I'm sorry, we're in lockdown and I haven't had a chance to go to the hairdressers. I'm just going to pop it like that. Take this clip out. Brush my hair over like this. And then, although it looks like quite good up to now, I don't know if you guys can see that. Like it looks quite nice up to now. We've still got some hair left. Now what I like to do is I like to make single ones. So we're going to do them like the clip length. And I'm just going to use these just to pop right in under one on either side. And I normally make another one just for that section in that ear there. I just think it makes the hair look more realistic, because otherwise you can be sat there like that and sometimes like a little bit of your hair might come out. I'm already feeling this though, look at that. Ooh, so shiny as well. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Excited. So we've done our other pieces. I fitted one. And I've already fitted one in here, guys. So I'm just going to get this other piece. The earrings in the way. Pop it right at the back. Push it as up as high as it'll go. And clip that one in. And again, on this side. And I just feel that if any of your hair falls down, it covers it then. So there we go, guys. We're done. Look at that. Look how shiny it is. I mean, oh my gosh, what a transformation. I feel like my hair's blended quite nicely with it because we've got the extra pieces in. I've still got some hair left. So if you don't feel like your hair's blended enough, like I said, just keep going, just keep making shorter pieces. As long as you've got your 3 main pieces in, you can just make shorter pieces. Shorter pieces fit in into sections, you know, maybe where you feel like you can see your hair. But I actually think this looks shebanging. I'm probably loving it. Look at that. So, guys, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, make sure you subscribe and check out my other videos on money saving tips. I'm going to keep doing them every week. I'm going to keep bringing you beauty tips, household tips, shopping tips, the lot. It's such a hard life being Teddy, isn't it? Right, so guys, thank you so much again for watching. Remember, subscribe, hit the like button and drop below some comments if you've done this or if you have any other tips for doing this. Drop them below in the comments. And thanks so much, guys.